Good morning, traders. Cryptocurrency market analytics. Welcome back. Monday morning today, guys. We're looking at the Monero, and we owe you a shout out about this one. We decided to pull out, right? So it's an important update on the Monero. You remember we were praising 56-57 level, right? We were talking about that level as our main point of reference. We basically relied on this key level for protection, right? More than that, that was our pivotal point. And our condition to carry on with a short position was that price has to remain below. Now, I got to tell you, we're not sure what happened here. On the weekly bar close, that was yesterday. But I want to show you how tight that is. I mean, the close itself, right? Take a look at the close. It's at 56.63. That's like a fraction of a point. Basically, crossing over that key level. Now, we can also see the spike, right? Suggesting that it actually failed to break through. But we're not sure at this point. So, whenever we're not sure, we're better. We go with better being safe than sorry, so to speak, and we go the conservative way. So we decided to pull out for now. We might get back in, right? In order for us to actually get back in, we need price to decisively close back below 56-57, right? Not like by a fraction of a point, but something that is visibly, obvious. And then we might decide to pull back, to come back in on the downside. At this point, we feel that it's just not safe. We think price could have an upside correction because if you look at the monthly chart, I'm going to show you another interesting thing here. Same level, by the way, right? 56-57. Nothing have changed in that on that part. But take a look what happened last month. So now we're talking last month, which you can clearly see price did react to that 56-57. We can clearly see that slight, that small, very small spike there, right? That's the evidence. That's the evidence of that battle, right? Of the battle that was going down here between price action and that key level. But take a look at the close. It's so tight, guys. 56.27, right? That's the monthly chart is so crude. This is effectively as if it was closing right on the spot. But from the numbers point of view, it was a breakdown. But when you look at that spike here, it looks like it actually failed to break through. So again, we have this contradictory evidence coming from the monthly chart versus the weekly chart, which makes it a little bit the whole situation uncertain, so to speak. So that's probably why we decided to pull out. But like I said, we're ready to pull back in. Our main concern here is an upside correction that will go and check out on 71.75 before turning back down again. And you know what? It's actually kind of expected, given the fact that ever since that turnaround, that tipping point when price began to move downwards, we had a few very mild technical correction, but not a serious one, right? So we might have that. So guys, for now we're out. It was a very successful bearish campaign anyway. So we feel that we've done, we fulfilled our mission here. So yes, I mean we'll see how it goes. For now, we will be observing from the sideline, taking a bit of a break from the Monero and just continuing with our existing short positions that we have in other fronts. That's about that for this one, guys. Monero signing out. That's about that. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.